This morning, what we're planning on doing is I've got my X2 over here, and we're fixing to engrave a set of initials on a knife. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull it up. I'm going to show y'all kind of what the program looks like. I'll kind of walk you through the steps, and then we're going to do a piece of test leather to make sure that the initial can be seen good and it's the right font we want to use and all that good stuff. And then we're going to put the blade in there, fasten it down where we want to move, and put that initial on there. All right, let me show you my setup here. I'm fixing to flip it around where you can see the X tool setup first. All right, this is the initials that I'm putting on there, and I've got this set on stainless steel, which is a lot harder than carbon, so it should do good on it. We've got our knife put in. We've got some leather around it to keep it from damaging the handle on it. If you can see that little square right there, that's our framing. Everything will go to the inside of that. And then all we're going to do is turn it on. We'll probably run this about 3 times to make sure it's a good heavy engrave. And I'll flip it on and let you watch it run. All right, we're fixing to get it ready to run now. We'll lower this because the laser's that's a pretty powerful laser. We've got it set on 100, blue light, engrave. Then we go up to start. Then this will start blinking over here. And we're ready to go. Takes about a minute and 40 something seconds for that to completely go through and uh, put the engraving on it. But you know, you got to play with this thing a good bit to get it to work like you want it to work. For instance, that's carbon steel. Stainless steel is going to be a lot harder than that. So if it's made to engrave in stainless, it's going to do a really good job in carbon. It's just the tool that come out after this. There's 2 that's come out since I bought this. Does a much better job. This is a FX1. You've got your FX2 and your FX Pro. If you're going to do something you don't have to carry, now this is portable. You can take this to knife shows or wherever you want to go to engrave on knives for people. So it does have that plus to it, but if you're going to do everything at home, the tabletop model that they've got does really, really good. This FX2 will do cups. It'll engrave on Stanley cups. It'll engrave on larger signs. It'll engrave on wood, really well on wood. So there's a lot of advantages to it. We're going to run out about 2 more times, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the finished project on it. I'm not going to leave this on the whole time. It's doing the exact same thing it did the last time. And as long as you don't move that knife, as long as you're real careful, that's why you got to have this on a real stable surface. It's going to go over the exact same grooves and letters that it did the last time. Now you hit that knife and move it just that much, and it's going to look like a double run on it. Your H's will be all inside one another. That's why when I'm doing this, I like to lock the door. Even walking on this wood floor out here is shaky, so we don't want to do that. All right, we're going to cut this off. I'll show you when we get through. All right, and that's what we ended up with. I know you're looking at that thing backwards, but this HPE, when you turn around and look at it like this, it's got the initials across it like that. And appreciate your time this morning. Just want to give you an idea of another little resource that you can pick up, take with your knife shop. It does take quite a few times to go through it. I'm sure there may be a better metal to use than the stainless steel cut, but right now that's the one that worked the best on this knife for me. Y'all have a great day, and Hope everything works out for you. Going to be cold. This morning when we got up to go feed, it was negative. It was a 2-degree wind chill factor. 17. It'd been 16, but 17 with a 2-degree wind chill factor. It were cold, let me tell you. It was so cold that the goats were even moving slow this morning. Y'all take care. Have a great weekend. Good church day tomorrow. If you don't have a church to go to and you live in the Starville area, I pastor out at Self Creek Baptist Church. You're welcome to come visit us anytime. We would absolutely love to have you. Y'all have a great day. Remember what Paul said. Remember what he said. Don't ever forget. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Y'all take care. Have a great day.